Alright, y'all, check out this Peruvian dinner. Peruvian chicken. Let me say it right. Alright, y'all, come check it out, man. Y'all see what I got here for dinner today? Yes, can y'all see it? It look delicious, don't it? Yes. Alright, y'all, come on, give me thumbs up on this meal today. Come on now, I know y'all know this thing is looking good here. Got all the veggies in there. See them? Get y'all a close view. Alright. Y'all see how good it look? Yeah, there we go. Come back up off it a little bit. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So that's what I'm doing today. Doing this Peruvian chicken. Yes, I don't know if y'all like it, but if y'all do, give me a thumbs up on this video. You know what I'm saying? And let me know what y'all think about the Peruvian chicken dinner for today. Alright, y'all. Y'all know I gotta go. You know what time it is. I gotta go. Y'all know my saying, Mr. Elwood Videos. Alright, I ain't gotta say the rest. Y'all know what y'all gotta do. Thumbs up on this video. I appreciate it. I'm out. Peace.